Your girl is pregnant. Your girl is pregnant. Your girl is having a baby. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Today is the 24th of October 2018, and I just randomly took a pregnancy test, and it says positive with a faint line, as you guys can evidently see. But I'm not honestly gonna think about it, and I'm not going to really dwell on it too much. I'm not even gonna tell babe or anybody, because this been happening to me for a few months now, and each time I ended up in a miscarriage. So let's just wait this one out and see what's gonna happen. So you guys, if you guys are not new to my channel, then you guys know that we have been trying to get pregnant for a while now, and I had a miscarriage and so on and so forth. But I went ahead and just randomly take another pregnancy test a few days ago, because I missed my period, and it was positive, surprisingly. So I'm kind of I wouldn't say in denial, but I think in denial is the word, because it really haven't hit me as yet. But as the days goes by, it started to hit me more and more that, girl, you're pregnant. And I kind of start feeling hit little glitches here and there, though I have zero symptoms. When I say zero symptoms, I mean zero symptoms. I have been praying since the miscarriage, and trying and praying and trying and praying and trying, and I know Almighty has never let me down. He always come through for me. And I think you guys hear Babe and Tyler fussing. So I think this time it is there, and it's there to stay, because I've prayed about it so hard. So just to get a full-on confirmation, I'm gonna go ahead right now and take another pregnancy test, because the first one that you saw earlier, I honestly did not record because I wasn't expecting it to be positive. So let's go and do this. okay. It's positive. It is positive. It is positive. It is positive. Two bright lines, as bright as can be. Reality start to sink in. Reality start to sink in, you guys. Reality start to sink in. Oh, I think I'm getting butterflies in my stomach, but I think the first one that I took and then I told babe, it was like, okay, yes, it's there, but this time, today is the 26th of October, and it says clear. It says clear. It just pops up. It's there. It's there saying hello, I'm here. Oh my freaking god. Okay, so it's real. It's real and it's happening. Okay, it's real and it's happening. It's real and it's happening. It's real. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Now I kind of really believe that it's actually there, because today is day 5 since I missed my period, and you girl don't know what I miss her period, okay? My period is always on time, and the fact that I know that we're trying kind of sets the tone. So your girl is pregnant. Your girl is pregnant. Your girl is having a baby. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Nobody but you, Almighty. All I'm asking for is a healthy baby. Okay, let's do this, you guys. One final shot. There it is. There it is. Positive. So positive. I'm gonna show babe this. I'm gonna show babe this one. Babe, I did another test. I did another test. Guess what it says? Can I see it?
If it was negative, you won't have.
I won't have what? Show you?
You won't be like this.
Yes, Ty?
You will have done at least 2.